Hello and welcome to our video on whether coffee is good for fat loss. As we all know, coffee is one of the most consumed beverages worldwide. Apart from its delicious taste and ability to wake us up in the morning, coffee has been linked to various health benefits. One of the most debated benefits of coffee is its impact on fat loss. So, in this video, we will explore whether coffee is good for fat loss or not. What is coffee and its nutritional value? Coffee is a popular beverage made from roasted coffee beans. It is a natural source of caffeine, a stimulant that can increase alertness and concentration. Coffee is also rich in antioxidants, which help to reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. When it comes to its nutritional value, coffee contains small amounts of nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and niacin. How does coffee help with fat loss? The caffeine in coffee can help to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. It can also help to suppress appetite, which can lead to a reduction in calorie intake. A study published in the International Journal of Epidemiology found that people who drank more coffee had a lower risk of obesity. Additionally, research has shown that caffeine can increase physical performance during exercise, which can lead to a greater calorie burn. Potential downsides of drinking coffee for fat loss. While coffee can be helpful for fat loss, it is important to be aware of some potential downsides. Firstly, adding sugar or cream to your coffee can add extra calories, which can hinder your fat loss efforts. Secondly, drinking too much coffee can lead to negative side effects like insomnia, jitters, and anxiety. Finally, some people may be more sensitive to caffeine than others, and excessive caffeine intake can lead to negative health effects. Best ways to consume coffee for fat loss. If you want to use coffee to aid in your fat loss efforts, it is important to consume it in the right way. Here are some tips. 1. Avoid adding sugar or cream to your coffee. 2. Drink coffee in moderation. 3. Consider drinking it before exercise to boost performance and calorie burn. 4. Choose high-quality coffee to ensure that you are getting the maximum health benefits. Conclusion: so, is coffee good for fat loss? The answer is yes, but with some caveats. Coffee can be helpful for fat loss when consumed in moderation and without added sugars or creams. However, excessive coffee intake can have negative health effects, and it is not a magic solution for weight loss. Ultimately, a balanced diet and regular exercise are the most effective ways to lose fat and maintain a healthy weight. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to Fitness Focus. See you next time.